Hello everyone, I welcome all of you. Today we will study this stock, that is samvardhana Motherson. So let us see what is happening in the chart and how much returns it may give in the coming days. So let us start with the process step, that is a stock trend. So if you see the stock trend, recently it has got splitted and it gave the bonus. So you can see this, there was a huge fall in here. So on a big picture, if you see, this is a kind of a head and shoulder it is made. That means something like this. If you draw this something, okay. So it is now ready to move. That we will see how it is going to make the pattern. Okay. If you see that trend line, you can see this is already taken a support. Okay. As a minor support we can say, because still it has to make after a lot of trading session only we can able to confirm, but presently it has made one support level and is going on. It's fine. Then let us check the moving averages. If you see this moving average 50, okay, when we normally check through moving averages. So if it is above 50, if the trading stock is trading above 50, we can say it is becoming stronger. Even if it is nearer, also we can say it is becoming stronger. If it is crossed, is one of the indication that it is going to become strong. Yeah, so fine, this is becoming strong now. Before it was in a weak trend, now it is going to become a strong. So what is the second step? Pattern. The chart pattern, if you see, here also a small inverted head and shoulder it is becoming. You see this, and also if you observe carefully, it is a kind of a flag it is making. So it will reach. So if you see this, so approximately from 64, if it is 64 to 70, then from 74 to, if we add another 60, so approximately to 80 it may go. These are the chances. With the two different types of chart pattern, with a flag we can say it is 80, and if we check through head and shoulder, so normally this pole length, whatever it makes, that much only it is going to make. So if we are going to check that price range, okay, if I just copy and keep it, about this, it shows that yeah, this also it is going to touch here about 86 rupees. So in chart pattern we can come to know some things, but anyway, to confirm that, let us proceed further. What is the next volume? So whether people are buying and selling this, let us check this volume. I will make it on. Okay, yeah, the stock is trading about 20 MA. Sorry, not above, but it is nearer to that. See this, it is below 20 MA. Very few people are buying this. Okay, here it may not be giving that confidence, but this is not the only measuring criteria. We can see the trend, we have seen the pattern, we have seen the volume. Let us check on the relative strength. So for relative strength, RSI, when we check that, the stock has already gone up here above 40 RSI and it is going above 60 now. So that means here it shows that it is becoming stronger. This is one indication. Now let us check support and resistance. We'll make this off so that we can have a clear chart. Sorry. Now to draw this support, let us draw the line on the horizontal line. You'll come to know that where it is really taking the support. This was the support initially, so you see this in the past also it has taken a support. That's the reason it is taking here also. Then in case if it is fall also, we can say that the stock may fall max again here 61, but normally when the stock goes up, come back, retest and start moving up, that means it is creating a stronger support zone. Okay, you can see here the stock gone up, it retested this zone and it is moving up. That means it crossed this resistance and made that as a support and again moving up. So it is slow, step by step, slowly it is creating a support, stronger support. This is we can see here. Okay, then coming to the resistance, so same thing, it is finding the resistance here at 75 rupees and then at 81 rupees it may face again resistance and then here at 90 rupees and then 96. Once if it crosses 96, then stock will move like anything. So until 96, it is just you need to keep a small investment. Later we can make a big investment. So still it is under study. So let us see what is the next. Fundamentals are always good. You see this even analysts also said that they also rated 75% that it is good to buy this. Anyway, a company is always growing, there is no doubt in it. Only here, when we go, the foreign institutions have reduced here their stake. Even if you see mutual fund have stayed constant. Okay, reason is that only. So like how we are analyzing here, because foreigners will invest only when it becomes strong, very strong. That means when it will become strong, when the stock makes higher highs. That means I tell you what is at higher high. you see this, it has made here. It should break this. It should break this. When it breaks this, then people will start coming in. That's what higher high. Okay, that's why, and still people, big people are still waiting. I mean, trading people are waiting. Investing people are already stayed there. That also we'll see. Let us go to put call ratio. What in the present market based on the market mood. Even put call ratio say it will go till 85 rupees by December. The same thing we analyzed here, right? When you seen this, we also able to get till this level, right? Okay, put call ratio also says that it is becoming stronger. Resistance says it is becoming stronger. Now let us draw the fib retracement. That is only for the people who are short-term investors. They would like to know what will be the nearest support and resistance. We have drawn the line and checked here, but through Fibonacci retracement we can see the accurate levels. Normally we need to select one trend. So if I draw from here to here, let us draw it and see what is going to happen. So week to week I'm joining, because I always follow either week to week or body to body. We need to, these anchor points we need to touch. When join, then only it will give some good results. So if we cross check, in the past also it has taken this resistance here, sorry, support. That's why it is taking now also support. Then it will go to 88 rupees, is what it says. 88. Then if it crosses, it may go to 106. So like that, these are the levels. It will show. If it crosses this level, what is this level? So like that. So Fibonacci retracement is only to know the levels in a one trend. Tomorrow if the stock goes down here, again we need to use a different way. Just Fibonacci retracement will not give a proper, the alone, the tool cannot be used alone. That's why if you see this, so many steps are there. We have used put call ratio, fib retracement, and next we are going to check candlestick also. Candlestick also will give the confirmation. Chart pattern already gave this confirmation. If you see this, after again a long time there was a doji, then it started becoming up. So let us see in the weekly basis what it says. On the weekly basis, if you see, it is making a bullish harami. You see this? After red candle, it has become a green. You see this here. After red, some green, that is bullish harami. If we find this kind of pattern, the stock will make a good moment. That's what it's making here. So here in the candlestick we are able to get some confirmation that it is becoming stronger. People are buying it. If you see monthly, what is going to happen? In monthly, if you see also, in monthly also people are buying it. Only on the day candle, only on the daily time frame, you may not get that decision what is happening here, but that's why we should make multi-time frame. So it is clear now that it is becoming stronger. People are buying it, accumulating the stock. Investors are accumulating the stock. Now what is next is candlestick we checked. Let us check delivery percentage. Let us go to NSC. Type here Motherson. Get the data. 1 day delivery percentage it is showing. What is happening in weekly? Get the data. It says above 50%. Yeah, it's a good one. People are taking delivery. In 2 weeks, what is happening? There is a good delivery percentage is going on. Anything about 25-30, we say it's a good moment. In 1 month, see 72%, 60% on monthly basis also if you see. Yeah, it's good. So this is how we can check and analyze before we get into some conclusion. So we gone through all these steps and hope this was helpful to all of you. Thanks for watching.
Please subscribe my channel and press the like button. It will motivate me to bring new topics.